Every morning, I wake up early to the sound of my alarm, ready to tackle another day as a college girl. After a quick shower and a rushed breakfast, I grab my backpack filled with textbooks and notebooks, making my way to the bustling campus. Lectures and discussions fill my mornings, with a break for lunch at the campus café where I catch up with friends. In the afternoons, I dive into study sessions at the library, trying to balance assignments and prepare for upcoming exams. As the sun sets, I head back to my home, enjoying some downtime with my dog before dinner. I have a delicious supper after that. Vocabularies used: